channel. My name is Sarah Shilanke and you all know me already. Well, thank you so much for that watch my video. You guys are amazing. You guys are the real OG. Oh God, today I am so excited because I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create an ombre look, an ombre lip. Those lip, those two shades, you'll be amazed. You might actually think people make use of let's say that kind of lipstick. Probably the lipstick came in two shades, but no, we are going to be making use of different lipsticks, normal lipsticks that you can put in your bag, that you have in your makeup box, normal lipsticks. And I don't want to really talk much because I want this to be a very short video. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Just click on that red subscribe button on your phone and like this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, if you have anything for me you want me to discuss, you want me to talk about, just make the comments in the comment section down below. The lipsticks I use, I'm going to put them in the description box. Although you can make use of any lipstick you have in your bag to create your own art, because makeup does not have any rule. Makeup is an art. You can create anyone by yourself, anyone that suits you. So let's go right into the video. But before we start, I'm going to moisturize my lip with the Wet n Wild lip balm. Why am I moisturizing my lip? Because all the lipsticks I'm going to be making use of are mostly matte lipsticks, so I don't want it to be too dry and cracky. So I'm going to be moisturizing my lip first and then can go into the video. I'm going to make use of normal tools that you can easily find around the house. Like I'm not going to make use of any professional brush. I'm going to be making use of a cotton bud to actually apply this lips and make it look so nice for you guys. So we are going to be lining our lip with this. MENOW Pro Long-Lasting And guys, just smart well and blend because the matte lip gloss. Then I'm going to go in with my Q-tip. Because it's a matte lipstick, I'll have to make use of the foundation. watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.